What's up, y'all? Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you're viewing this. Welcome to the vlog. So today, I'm really just taking some time by myself to spend some time in nature. Now, before you judge me, I really need y'all to realize that I'm black with blonde hair, tattoos, you know what I'm saying? I'm the typical African American athlete. Now, I'm saying that to let you know I'm coming from a place of realness. I'm not a white collar guy. I'm not a 52-year-old mother. I'm a real person. Now, I'm saying that to say these things such as spending time in nature, they really help you. They really help you as a person. All right, so there's legit scientific evidence that backs up or supports the fact that spending time in nature, it helps to alleviate stress. It really does. I'm not here to, try to convince you. You can do some research on your own if you want to, but I can tell you personally, I'm peaceful, I'm happy. Not just on the internet, you know what I'm saying? In real life, I'm really, truly peaceful, and I want to kind of share this knowledge with people so people can go out and live their best life. You know what I'm saying? So most people in this world generally have some issues or some problems that you will get through. That's cool. Now, most people try to do things that will kind of help them cope with their problems. Smoking, drinking, you know what I'm saying, doing all type of drugs. And I'm not judging anybody out there, you know what I'm saying? People got to do what they got to do with the knowledge that they have. Some people may not have knowledge on how to actually fix the problem instead of temporarily getting rid of the pain. So you want to really do things that's going to really help get rid of the pain. Now, one of the things that I can tell you is nature, man. Just getting out there, like listening to this running water. One thing that really will help is, now everybody may not be on this level and y'all might think I'm weird. That's cool. You're entitled to your own opinion. But when you go out in nature, you want to get you some headphones and get on YouTube and search for music that's tuned in 432 hertz or 528 hertz. When you put those headphones on and you listen to that music, it might take about 18 to 30 minutes depending on the song or your vibe, or if you're really concentrating and listening to the music. But it's gonna naturally relax you. Like, I promise you, it's gonna naturally relax you, especially if you're in nature. So get on YouTube. There's plenty of channels that have music that's tuned in 528 and 432. And really understand that if you read the comments on some of these YouTube channels that are geared toward giving music out to people, read the comments. Go read the comments of everybody in there and see how happy everybody is. It's peace, it's love, it's gentleness. It's not like the comments that you're gonna see anywhere else. But like I said, check out those comments. You'll see, man, like, I'm not making this stuff up, and I really want people to really understand that these are certain things you have to do to help yourself, man. So another thing I like to do is yoga. I just started doing yoga about 3 weeks ago, and it's helping me out with my flexibility, my balance, and it's helping to strengthen my mind. Now, what you see right here, I got the Gatorade Zero in here. No sugar. I got 2 scoops of wheatgrass. Actually, you can go to Publix or anywhere, any grocery store, and get you some. You know how they have protein powder, different type powders, but they have different powders that have wheatgrass. Basically, your daily dose of vegetables. Now, it really does give me energy. Like, after I work out, I drink this. It actually gives me a boost of energy. And some people don't like eating vegetables. Vegetables, obviously, they're good for you. So if you're out there really trying to better yourself, you know what I'm saying, live your best life spiritually, mentally, and physically, you got to do things that's going to help you and your body. So, you know what I'm saying, that comes with sacrifice. You may not want to eat vegetables all day. Get you a couple shots of this, you know what I'm saying, to start your day off, and it's going to help you. You got to be consistent with it, though. Don't do something, just like anything in life. Don't go do something for 5 days and expect the results to happen. Nah, it takes time, bro. It may take months, you know what I'm saying? But whatever your goal is, whatever your goal that you set in your mind to achieve, just know that it's gonna happen, but it's gonna take time and consistency. So that's why I'm out here doing yoga, because I want to be the best version of myself that I possibly can be. Period. The mosquitoes was going crazy out here. I seen this limb and I had to go try to do an L sit and some pull-ups on it. You know what I'm saying? If you watch the channel, you know I'm into fitness by now. Also, I'm a risk taker. I knew this limb could actually break and I possibly could fall in the water, but I just felt like doing it anyway. I'm kind of adrenaline junkie. Hey, so look, I'm gonna keep it real. I love nature, but you still gotta also be mindful of. I just walked into a big old spider web. Spider webs, ticks, spiders, and really mosquitoes. You ain't really gotta worry about no spiders and ticks. Well, not out here, you don't. So, get you some good bug spray, mosquito spray, and still be aware of your surroundings. But nature is beautiful. It really is. Another spider web. Dang. It's all good. All right, so I see this log, so I'm like, let me try to go do some yoga and some balancing on this. But actually, when I got on the log was shaking a little bit, so it threw my balance off. So it's way harder to do it on there. I'll probably come out here tomorrow and practice, because it's just gonna help me when I get on some solid ground. But I was just, just trying some stuff right here. That's it. Hey, it's okay if you mess up, but you gotta at least try. Don't try, you can't succeed. All right, so that's the end of the vlog. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm actually about to put this hoodie on and put my headphones in, wherever they at. And I'm about to vibe out to some nice, relaxing 528 hertz music. Y'all be careful with the 432, because the 432 will make you sleepy. So 528, just sit out here and just probably meditate like 15, 20 minutes. Definitely gotta put the hoodie on, because I ain't trying to get attacked by mosquitoes. But like I was saying earlier, strive for greatness, man. We were created for excellence. Good ain't good enough. You can always be good. You can always slip up and be good when you're striving for greatness. But if you're striving to be good, what if you slip up and don't reach the level of good? Then you just subpar, like everybody else in the world. You want to be like everybody else in the world? Do what everybody else in the world do. I'm different. Peace and love.